Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really easy insert card for you. This is my Sandcastle Vibes insert card. How fun is that design? You have that sandcastle there, the sun is on the other side shining bright. You have the beach pail, the beach ball, some starfish there underneath the sandcastle, and then a summer vibes sentiment on the bottom. Plenty of room on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. Now, like all of my insert cards, you can make this on any Cricut cutting machine from the Cricut Joy all the way to the Cricut Maker 3 and Cricut Maker 4. This one is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines. Let's look for the envelope in the Layers panel. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight the score lines, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Click on that icon, highlight the score line, change it to Score, highlight the group, and Attach. Once those two things have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I've gone ahead and cut everything out, so now it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish the score line on the card base. Go ahead and open up the card, and I'm going to feed the insert into the slits on the card base. There we go. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some glue along some of these little areas to really help secure it. I'm just going to leave it as it is though. Now let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our insert card is all set. Wasn't this card super cute? You could totally add some different colored cardstock behind the card base and really make it come alive and really colorful. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.